Where's the money, Lebowski? Want that money, Lebowski? Bunny says you're good for it. Where's the money, Lebowski? Where's the money, Lebowski? Where's the fucking money, shithead?
It's down there somewhere. Let me take another look.
Don't fuck with us. Your wife owes money to Jackie Treehorn. That means you owe money to Jackie Treehorn.
Ever thought the deadbeats, Lebowski?
Oh no, don't do that. Not on the rug, man.
See? You see what happens, Lebowski? You see what happens?
Nobody calls me Lebowski. You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Your name's Lebowski, Lebowski. Your wife is Bunny.
My wife, Bunny? Do you see a wedding ring on my finger? Does this place look like I'm fucking married? The toilet seat's up, man.
The fuck is this?
Obviously, you're not a golfer.
Woo?
Yeah.
Is this guy supposed to be a millionaire?
Fuck.
Yeah, what do you think?
He looks like a fucking loser.
Hey, at least I'm housebroken.
Fucking